Hello and welcome to another product check video from Novitec, where we have a look at some of the products that we create for specific cars. Today we're going to have a look at the Novitec Ferrari Purosangue, and this one over here is the Esteso. I'm so excited about this car because it just looks absolutely stunning in this red. And one of the nicest components that we've made is the bonnet. Oh my gosh, it is just so sexy. The complete bonnet is in carbon fiber, as you can see from the inside, and there's the hidden nomenclature over here for those in the know. Now, this is also an active aero vent that actually helps to get rid of some of that hot air in the engine bay, just to chase that out. And I love this carbon fiber lining on the center. On the sides, left and right, you've got the air curtain that chases the air from the front through this indentation right through the outside over here. This outlet also from us in carbon fiber, setting it up to go along the side of the car. Now, you can also have this bonnet with the centerpiece in visible carbon fibers. You can see in some of the other examples that we've made, but this, in my opinion, is the best one. Now, these two components on the side you can have without having chosen a Novitec bonnet. Now, in the front, at the air vents with the lights, these are actually active air vents, chasing some of that air into the engine bay, some of it into the wheel arch. This outer lining here in carbon fiber as well. And then in the front, the Esteso kit having this slightly more bulging, slightly more protruding centerpiece for the bumper in the front, and also a three-piece at the bottom. That's part of the Esteso kit, making it slightly wider so that it fits the overall 6 centimeter wider width of this car. Now, talking about the Esteso kit over here, you can see that these floating wheel arches, by the way, Ferrari, absolutely stunning job on that. These you can have in body color as such, and I think that looks so great, or you can have them in visible carbon fiber. We're going to talk about the structure of carbon fiber, because you can also have components for this car, like the Ferrari carbon fiber components that you get. We make the same ones. If you get them from Ferrari, they'll just be a lot more up there, but we make them in the same grain, the same structure of the carbon fiber. Plus, in addition, you can have it in the Novitec carbon fiber structure. Here, as we said, in body color. And I'm just going to show you something as an example. So here we have two of the panels that you normally have on this car. I'm just going to put this one down over here. This is what it looks like in standard. If you order your Ferrari, sort of a base model, no Ferrari carbon fiber, it'll look like this. It is a plug and play bolt on bolt off component, and the great thing about the Esteso kit is that works on exactly the same principle. You can take the wider body part and just bolt it on there, looking really nice in carbon fiber, which means we don't need this one over here. This is more like it. This is why you go with Novitec. It's not the part for the front, it's the part for the rear, but just look at how it bulges, and the quality of this is supreme. I'm just kidding. Now, Ferrari had something in mind when they made these with the active aero gaps, and we've actually kept those even though the Esteso kit is now wider. It's just accentuated the functionality of the air vents as well, that gets that air to flow to the side of the car. This car, of course, rides lower on Novitec springs, a good 2.5 centimeters lower, with these puppies being put in there. And of course, filling up the wheel arches with these 22-inch in the front, 23-inch in the back, and F10s, as you see here, in a high gloss polished look. But you can also fit the NF11s on here. Let me know down in the comments which one you like more. You can see that in one of the other videos with a center lock look over there. And I think just from a personal level, having driven the standard Purosangue and then the one with the Novitec suspension, especially because this car's ever so slightly higher, I really find that it makes a huge difference in driving the car. Now, moving along the side, we've got the mirror caps, and these you can also get, obviously, even if you don't have the Esteso kit, you can get these mirror caps. We've got slightly bigger side skirts in carbon fiber if you take the Esteso, slightly less big if you don't have the Esteso kit. I think for the rest of it, we shall turn the car around, and that way you can also hear what it sounds like. As we said with the Novitec cars, the party is always a bit more at the back. In our floating wheel arch, we've got this slight concave over here, and that is to fit the Purosangue suicide doors. These are really, really cool. Gives you such an easy entrance to the dual rear seats. Now this, the 6 centimeters wider, specifically looking nice and aggressive over here, seeing that active arrow, can basically put my hand through there just to get rid of the air made by the massive 23-inch NF10s, shunting that towards the rear. But the rest of the party also happens over here, because we've got this big carbon fiber roof spoiler, much bigger than the standard one that you can get from Ferrari. Ours is always bigger. And this, of course, in the Novitec carbon fiber structure. Then over here, the 3-piece boot lip, looking quite sexy. You remember that from the Urus Esteso, quite similar. And the big bulging rear diffuser housing our quad tailpipes. Now, these tail tips you can actually get in either black, or as one customer has done that, in gold, quite frankly. That will not last a single day in South Africa. These pipes also, they are slightly bigger than the standard ones, and judging by the sales, something that people really like. But speaking about the exhaust, let's talk about it in detail. So, let's have a talk about the exhaust from Novitec for the Purosangue. First of all, the Sport Cat. Now the Sport Cat in front from us gets rid of the OPF altogether. There's a lesser density inside of the Cat, so that means that there's better airflow, better performance. The car just breathes a lot better. Now, normally in the center of the car you would have a center muffler. This is our X-pipe. That is what we replace the center muffler with. And as you can see, all our Novitec products are heat isolated. And that's a very important thing for the simple reason that if these components aren't, it might get so hot that Purosangue goes up into flames, which is not something we'd like to have. So finally, we get to the rear mufflers. Now you can have the most extreme version ever, and that would be the Novitec race exhaust. That is either flap actuated or non-flap actuated. If it's flap actuated, it means by the press of a button, it'll become a little bit more neighborhood friendly. That means that the noise basically goes through another small damper. It's just a little bit more quiet. Or you can just have our normal sport rear mufflers, and that's going to be a bit more of a dampened sound altogether. I think right now is a good time to play you what that sounds like. As a final word, it's just very cool to know that the Esteso kit is also combinable with the standard Purosangue. So if you'd like to put this component, or these components, or just the rear diffuser on your standard Purosangue, or you can actually put these parts, or the side skirts only, they're all interchangeable. And because these fit on the standard fittings for the normal Ferrari pieces, they're interchangeable. You can put them on, drive them for a season, and perhaps at a later stage, if you don't want to, if you want to sell the car standard, you can also just change them back. That concludes our talk. If you want to see more about the parts for this car, check out our website, www.novitec.com. Or if you're interested in more of these videos, then check out our channel. See you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.